How to become an Airbnb host? Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. Want to turn your spare room or home into an Airbnb income source? In this video, I'll show you the complete steps to become a host. Enjoy these types of videos on the channel. We've got other related videos too. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright folks, let's get started. I've got an Airbnb host referral link for you. Besides Airbnb support, you'll have my help for any questions. Any hosting doubts? Ask me or Airbnb support. If you'd like, you can use my referral link. The link's in the description, folks. Click the link, then create listing to start hosting. Just click Create Listing at the bottom. Here you can sign in with your phone number, Google or Apple account, continue with email or use Facebook. Choose any option. Enter your full name, birth date, month, day, year, and contact info. Your email must be included. Agree to the terms of service, payment, non-discrimination, and privacy policies. If you have questions, check the links below. If you agree, just click this button. You need to agree here as well. Read carefully, then click Agree and Continue if you're okay with it. Click Create Listing again here. Now you'll create your first Airbnb host listing. Describe your place and add lots of detailed photos. More photos are better. Then, folks, you'll set an initial price, verify some details, and publish your listing. Let's click down here to begin. Now you'll describe your accommodation. Click Next and choose your space type, house, apartment, barn. Select your accommodation type here. Then click Next at the bottom. Here choose if you're offering a whole place, private room, or shared room. Then click Next at the bottom. Here you'll enter your address. Remember, the address is only shown after booking confirmation. Before that, the address isn't visible, folks. Confirm by entering your number, neighborhood, and zip code. Then click All Set at the bottom. Confirm by clicking Next here. Here, folks, you'll share some details about your accommodation. How many guests can your place accommodate? What's the maximum guest capacity? Go ahead and enter a number here. How many rooms does your place have? Beds, bathrooms. Fill in these details, then click Next below. Now you'll add photos, folks. You can upload 5 or more photos. More photos are always better. Click Next to continue. Choose what amenities your place offers. Wi-Fi, TV, washer, kitchen, parking, etc. List everything your place provides. Fill it out carefully. Then click Next at the bottom. Now add photos of your place. Upload saved photos or take new ones. Save photos, first option. New photos, second option. Finally, click Send. Your photos will appear here. Add more by clicking this option. Once everything's ready, click below to continue. Now give your accommodation a title. Short titles work best. Then click below to move forward. Describe your place. Is it quiet? Family friendly? Choose its highlights. Then click Next. You can also add a description of your accommodation here. When you're done, just click below to publish. Simply click Next. Here you can approve reservations before they're confirmed. Below is instant booking, where guests book automatically. For beginners, the first option is best. You'll approve your first 5 bookings. Click Next. Important note, any Airbnb guests can book. For beginners, I recommend hosting experienced guests. For your first hosting, it's best to choose a guest with a good Airbnb history. Click Next at the bottom. This shows weekday rates. Based on your address, it suggests a price. You can adjust it up or down. Click Next at the bottom. It suggests a weekend price. You can increase it if you want. Here's the base price, guest service fee, and pre-tax guest price. Below shows your earnings. You can add discounts here if you wish. First, new listing promo, 20% off first 3 bookings. So you can choose to enable these discounts or not. Analyze, then click below to proceed. Share security info like cameras or noise meters if your place has these. After filling everything, click below to create your first listing. Read the terms, and if you agree, click I agree below. Alright folks, to see incoming messages, open the Airbnb app. When you open the app, you'll see all your accommodation info at the top. Checkouts, current guests, upcoming arrivals, and scheduled bookings. Also check the Messages tab to see if any interested guests contacted you. These are messages I get from hosts with questions. If you have any questions during sign up, message me. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking the thanks button. Did you manage it, folks? Was the step-by-step guide easy? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Let's go.